Hey everybody, today we're going to try the brand new Orange Vanilla Coca-Cola. Saw this at the store, had to pick it up. Try to get a little better situation here. There we go. There's a depiction of an orange right there. Obviously no vanilla. We have nutrition facts and then all the other standard little knickknacks right through there. But let's go with those nutrition facts real quick. It says, serving size 1 bottle, 20 ounces. Calories, 240. Total fat, 0 grams. Sodium, 55 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 65 grams. Total sugars, 65 grams, including, here it comes, 65 grams of added sugars. So you're not getting just 65 grams of regular sugar. You're getting an additional 65 grams. Protein, 0 grams. And then there's not a significant source of saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, fiber, vitamin D, calcium, iron, or potassium. Or maybe those are just the 4 traditional vitamins and minerals. Okay. Once again, Orange Vanilla Cherry Coca-Cola. Let's open it up. I don't have my cups. I don't know where I put them. Clear out the lungs and the nasal passages. Go in for the whiff test. Wow. Kind of smells like a creamsicle. All right. Let's go in for that drink. Here we go. Orange Vanilla Coca-Cola. We'll have to go for another one real quick. There is a orange vanilla creamsicle type of flavor, but the back end of it is heavy carbonation flavor, if you understand that. Not so much in the ways of actual Coca-Cola, but that really heavy type of carbonation. I'm not doing a very good job of explaining it, but it's just really you can tell it's different. It's a gas. It's just a nasty gas, if you will. Carbon dioxide anyway. But outside of that, it's okay. Would I buy it again? I'm going to give it the middle of the road on buying it again. As for the, like I said, the main flavor is up front, orange vanilla. But that aftertaste is just not cutting it. Sure, I'll drink it because I bought it, but I'm not sure. And I talked to a merchandiser about this. And he said that, yes, this is apparently one of their permanent products. So, it's okay. Outside of that, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.